Road Warriors! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the REDTIGER dashcam front-rear, promising crystal-clear footage for your every drive. But is it worth the hype? Before we hit the road, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's roll into the details. Let's start with the features. The REDTIGER dashcam is packing some serious tech, offering Ultra HD 4K and FHD 1080p resolutions. From dual camera system, it promises to be your silent witness on the road. Don't miss the opportunity to buy this product now. Click the link in the description to place your order. Now, on to performance. The REDTIGER dashcam delivers on its promise with high-resolution recording. Besides, with a wide-angle lens, it reduces blind spots, providing crucial evidence in case of unexpected collisions. How well does it handle? Stick around as we put it to the test. Ease of use is key, day and night, especially when you're on the go. The REDTIGER dashcam keeps it simple. Connect the dashcam to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and manage it through the REDTIGER app. From installation to daily operation, we'll explore how hassle-free it really is. The dashcam boasts superior night vision, using an ultra-large f1.5 aperture and HDR/WDR technology to capture details in low-light conditions. The built-in GPS records your driving route, real-time speed and location, providing additional footage in case of accidents. Plus, a 24-hour parking monitor records continuously, providing evidence even when your vehicle is parked. Please note, a hardware kit is needed for the 24-hour parking monitor function. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the REDTIGER dashcam brings high-resolution imaging, dual camera system, and user-friendly operation. However, no gadget is perfect. Some potential downsides include large file sizes, requires constant power, and potential glare issues. There you have it, a quick but comprehensive overview of the REDTIGER dashcam front-rear. If you're interested, check the link in the description for more details. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and until next time, drive safe!